Hi, my friends. Nice to connect with you all in this manner. I'm sure this lockdown word never ever meant in our entire life the meaning that is now assigned to it. Did it? First, I thought, what a busy person like me will do sitting idle. I'm sure this question must have struck billions of people across the globe. I was so very wrong. Life has taught me to be positive all the time, and human being has unique capacity to adapt and absorb the changes if mind is kept open and free. This attitude towards life led me to look for an alibi to make the enforced time enjoyable. It is said, enjoy the ordeal till it lasts. But for me, it was not an ordeal in true sense of word. I took it as an opportunity to activate all my senses, to comprehend past, analyze present, imagine future. Something was making sense to me. Something was telling me to listen to God's word, listen to inner self, listen to what every sound and silence was trying to tell me, to pause, to slow down, and with my photographic memory, see each strand of life that unfolded while I was busy in doing my survival narrative earlier. My wife used to tell me that true sense of happiness can be found in simplest of things I disregarded. My some closest friends used to tell me focus on health. I laughed away. I took life very seriously as if tomorrow will never come. This pressure made me human machine. Today, when I have 24 hours at my own disposal to deal with it as I want, I have rediscovered what I was missing. I was I'm sure we all will come out wiser from this unprecedented lockdown and see our narrative, our goals, our happiness with new perspectives. I will end this short talk with a timeless song. Please excuse me for my atrocious voice. आगे भी जाने न तू, पीछे भी जाने न तू, जो भी है बस यही एक पल है. I hope it sums up, the moment that we are all in, and I wish you all stay safe, stay healthy, and take good care of yourself. Thank you very much. I'm signing off. Bye bye.